Hello food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and flavorful world of Ethiopian cuisine. Ethiopia is known for its rich history, diverse cultures, and, of course, its delicious food. Whether you're a foodie or just curious, you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Ethiopian cuisine is as diverse as its landscape, influenced by centuries of history and a blend of different cultures. The food is characterized by its unique flavors, aromatic spices, and communal dining style. At the heart of Ethiopian meals is the traditional flatbread called injera. Injera is a sourdough flatbread made from teff flour, which is gluten-free and packed with nutrients. It's not just a side dish, it's the foundation of every meal, used as both a plate and a utensil. The slightly tangy taste of injera perfectly complements the various stews and dishes served. Injera is a sourdough flatbread made from... One of the most popular dishes in Ethiopian cuisine is doro wat, a spicy chicken stew. Let's take a look at how it's made. First, we start with berber, a blend of spices including chili peppers, garlic, ginger, basil, and fenugreek. This spice mix is the soul of many Ethiopian dishes. We sauté onions until they're golden brown, then add the berber and continue to cook until it's fragrant. Next, we add chicken pieces and simmer them in a rich sauce made with tomatoes and chicken broth. Finally, hard-boiled eggs are added, absorbing the delicious flavors. Once the doro wat is ready, we serve it on a large piece of injera. This dish is typically enjoyed with family and friends who gather around and eat together, using pieces of injera to scoop up the stew. It's a wonderful way to bond and share a meal. Ethiopian cuisine is not just about doro wat. There are many other amazing dishes like kitfo, a minced raw beef dish seasoned with spices, tibs, sautéed meat, often served with vegetables, and shiro, a delicious chickpea stew that's perfect for vegetarians. And let's not forget the wide variety of lentil and bean dishes, like misir wat, a spicy lentil stew. Ethiopian cuisine is more than just food, it's a cultural experience that brings people together. From the unique flavors and spices to the communal way of eating, every meal is a celebration of Ethiopian heritage. I hope you enjoyed this culinary journey. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious adventures. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.